Social stories. Hi, today I want to talk about accepting differences. I am learning to accept differences in others. I know that everyone is unique and special in their own way. I also know that everyone has different likes, dislikes, and experiences. That is what makes our world so interesting and colorful. When I see someone who is different from me, I try to think about what makes them special. I look for the things we have in common and I focus on those. This helps me to feel a connection with them and to understand them better. I also try to be respectful of others and their differences. I know that just because someone is different from me, it does not mean that they are wrong or that I am better. We are all equal and deserve to be treated with kindness and respect. When I have a problem with someone, I try to talk to them about it. I listen to their side of the story and I try to understand where they are coming from. This helps me to find a solution that we can both be happy with. I am learning to accept differences and to celebrate the differences in others. I know that by doing this, I am making our world a better place and creating a happier and more understanding community. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more social stories. Until then, take care.